Hey, what's up? It's Quazimotoe. I'm here today to talk to you about why we changed the name on the channel. Don't worry. I'm not stopping YouTube. But I did want to change the name on the channel, okay? So, we moved it from Good Game Fun Time to Quasimodo, just because it's more unified across my channels for Twitch, YouTube, and then on Twitter as well. And the Discord, I don't remember what the name of the Discord is, but it doesn't really matter. If you want to join the Discord, talk to me on Twitter, all that's down in the description below. So this is just a channel update to let y'all know what's going on with the channel, okay? So we have switched it officially to Quasimodo to unify it across the brands. But in addition to that, we have some news today. So we're going to get into the news for you. So let's first start off with Star Control Origins from AMD that teamed up with StarDock to go ahead and get this benchmark released. So it's actually a playable game. You can download the free benchmark now in the description below. It's a link. You can benchmark the DirectX 12. It gives DirectX 11 and Vulkan as well. I did DirectX 11. I'll show you some of the footage now. So you can see like how it's generating as you're flying over the terrain. As the other side of the globe comes toward you, it's generating it on the fly. So it takes a lot more processing power to get it rendered like that, as opposed to pre-rendering everything as you load into it. So the whole game is, with a benchmark, is played like this. So you can see it rendering in. And even on my CPU, I just got the 2700 to replace the 1700, and then I still have a 1066 gig, which isn't very powerful by today's standards. There's stuff that's way more powerful, but it still runs 30 FPS, so I don't know if that's good or not. You can check them against other benchmarks and the like. It's a pretty interesting thing though, because they have added it in to their benchmark suite. They're already dominating in Ryzen with Ryzen in Cinebench R20 and R15 and production tasks and stuff. I don't think this will put them ahead in the gaming benchmarks, but it's very interesting that they released this. On to the next topic, though. And the second bit of news we have today is the Humble Bundle Trove that comes with your Humble Bundle Choice plan that you pay monthly. Whether you get the base plan or the top tier plan, there's 3 of them, but you get the Trove. So they added 4 new games for January, it looks like. And you can buy Choice Plan now and get these games downloaded. DRM free. They're also Humble special releases, I believe. So we have Arog, or Arog, however you say that. Balconing Simulator 2020 looked pretty interesting. Dear Esther and Race the Sun also looks pretty interesting. And then as well as all the other Trove games you can get. Just one of those things. If you like games and you want to keep them, these are free. You pay the $5 monthly for the choice plan. You don't have to download any of the AAA titles or anything, but you get the Trove. So just download, all of them if you want to, and you get to keep them even if you cancel or you suspend your subscription. So pretty good deal. I've played a couple Deadlight from here, a couple of the other ones. Pretty good. And that'll do it for the news today. So hopefully y'all see something y'all like in the Trove, and you get to go ahead and download it. You can use my link. It's just a partner link to the Humble Bundle Partner Program. I get a kickback if you subscribe to the Humble Bundle Choice. If it's not the base tier. So if you get the tier 2 and tier 3, I'll get kickbacks from all that. And that all goes back into the channel. I don't do anything else but buy game codes or hardware to improve streams or videos that I'm uploading. So just so y'all know, I also use it to do hardware giveaways and stuff like that. All right. So if you use the link for that, or you can download the AMD benchmark, the new benchmark that they added to their benchmark suite. That's in the description as well as the Discord, the Twitch link, the Twitter link, and my business email if you want to contact me for any reason. And again, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it so much that y'all are here hanging out with me. And leave a comment down below. What kind of stuff you want to see, Humble Bundle to release. Maybe we can put our voice out there, and maybe they'll release something that, in addition to their choice program and stuff like that. They do really good with the charities and stuff. They're a great company. So, peace out. Much love, much respect. I'll see y'all next time, okay? Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day.